This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I'm at the Jacksonville Equestrian Center for opening day of the 2026 Jacksonville RV MegaShow. The gates are officially open. It's a great weekend to be in Northeast Florida for the only multi-dealer RV show in the region. This is the largest RV event in the area and the perfect place to explore all the brand new 2026 RVs in one location. One of the biggest advantages of attending the Jacksonville RV MegaShow is the opportunity to shop and compare RVs from multiple local dealers side by side. This year we have 6 outstanding local dealers on site, bringing in their newest models and best inventory across every class of RV. As you walk the show, you will see the best new RVs of all classes. Whether you're looking for a weekend getaway RV or a full-time travel dream, there is something for every lifestyle and budget. What makes this year especially exciting is the amount of new technology being introduced in today's RVs. The 2026 RVs have features that make travel more comfortable, more efficient, and easier than ever. If you have ever thought about RV travel, this is the place to start. And if you're an experienced RVer, you'll love seeing the latest models, new floor plans, and the latest technology that is shaping the future of the industry. And beyond the RVs, you will find booths representing a variety of RV resorts, supplies, and accessories. There is also great food available and a fun, family-friendly atmosphere throughout the showgrounds, making it an enjoyable day for everyone. The 2026 Jacksonville RV MegaShow is being held February 5th through 8th at the Jacksonville Equestrian Center. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click the show link on the homepage. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.